Creating a well-structured questionnaire for research is crucial for gathering accurate and meaningful data. Here's a concise guide. Define your research goals. Clearly outline the objectives of your research. What specific information are you trying to collect and how will it contribute to your study? Select the questionnaire format. Decide on the format of your questionnaire, whether it's online, paper-based, or in-person interviews. Develop clear and concise questions. Write questions that are clear, concise, and directly related to your research objectives. Avoid leading or biased questions. Use a mix of question types. Utilize a variety of question types, including closed-ended and open-ended questions. Closed-ended questions offer structured data, while open-ended questions provide depth and insights. Logical flow. Organize questions logically, starting with general and easy-to-answer questions before moving to more specific or sensitive topics. Maintain a logical flow to keep respondents engaged. Pilot test. Conduct a pilot test with a small group of people to identify any confusing or unclear questions. Make necessary adjustments. Include demographics. Collect demographic data at the end to reduce response bias in other questions. Pre-test. Before the full-scale survey, pre-test the questionnaire with a small, representative group to identify issues with question wording or survey format. Ethical considerations. Ensure your questionnaire respects ethical guidelines, including informed consent and protection of respondent privacy. Data analysis plan. Outline how you will analyze the collected data, including any statistical techniques or software you will use. Administer the questionnaire. Implement your questionnaire, whether through online survey platforms, paper copies, or in-person interviews. Data collection. Collect responses and ensure data accuracy. Consider setting a deadline for response submission. Data analysis. After collecting data, analyze it using the techniques you outline in your plan. Report and interpret results. Summarize findings, interpret results, and draw conclusions based on your research objectives.